Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have slow cooker Italian sausages. Alright, the first thing we gotta do is start a nice little marinara sauce. Okay, so I added one 28-ounce can of crushed tomato, and now I am adding one 28-ounce can of tomato sauce. By the way, the slow cooker is on right now. It's on medium heat. And then I'll tell you the sequence of heat that we're going to use thereafter. And now you want to add just a pinch of sugar, just to kind of get the tinniness of the tomato cans out of there. Trust me, we won't have anywhere near the amount of sugar that they have in the god-awful jar sauces. And then, of course, salt and pepper to taste. And now you want to add 6 cloves of minced garlic. Okay, now it's time to add the dried herbs, which involves 2 teaspoons of dried oregano. 2 teaspoons of dried basil. And 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. Followed by 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Trust me, it might seem excessive, but it'll be fine. And then you just want to stir all this together. And then, once it's all stirred and incorporated, pop the lid on. And you want to cook this on medium for 1 hour and low for at least 2 more. Then, and only then, are we going to add in our Italian sausages, which, okay, if you kept it on medium for long enough, you could cook the sausages, but I don't think they get a great texture if they're, for lack of a better term, braised in this marinara sauce. So we're going to do ours on the grill. So again, 1 hour on medium, 2 on low. Only taking the lid off occasionally to kind of stir things around again, make sure things don't get sedentary, stuff like that. All right, let's go to the grill. Okay, so as you can see here, I got my Italian sausage links on the grill. This is just for texture purposes. Again, I think it results in a better product. This recipe will accommodate up to 10 links, but I'm just going to do 5. All right, so basically you just want to grill these until they reach 160 internally, and your sauce is nearing the 3-hour mark. Okay, now it's time to add the brats into the sauce. And I would give it, get them submerged, and I would give them at least another hour. I think I went for another 2, maybe 90 minutes, but at least another hour, and then we'll be ready to serve. And while the Italian sausages are chilling out in their marinara bath, we need to make the peppers and onions. As you can see here, I have some green peppers that I've sliced up into nice little strips. Add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and we're going to cook these for approximately a minute, maybe 2, in some olive oil. And then we're going to add 2 small onions that I sliced up. And basically, all you want to do is just cook this until everything is, well, fairly soft. And we can pile it high on our Italian sausages. This process will be fairly quick, so I would aim no more than 10 minutes before you're going to at least start to serve this up. All right. Okay, and once again, I made the same mistake I've made a few times on this thing. I didn't make sure to see the little red light was on. But I think it's fine. Basically, what you want to do is you want to preheat your broiler to high. Then you want to toast up a couple of sausage rolls. Then, of course, you want to add one sausage link to each bun, some of those peppers and onions, and a nice healthy amount of mozzarella cheese, and pop it in the broiler until the cheese is melted. Make sure you keep an eye on it, because remember, when working with a broiler, that will burn everything to hell in literally a half a second. So, all right, let's go to the final product. All right, as you can see here, it's been in the broiler. It's all melty and wonderful. And the last thing we're going to do is get a little bit more of that sauce out of that slow cooker and spread it on top. So, that is slow cooker Italian sausages. Done. Oh, and just FYI, these were absolutely delicious.